Hello everyone, this is me, Mika. I'm working on the action RPG game from first person perspective. Currently, I am on day 133 and I made the progress 18%. It's estimate, of course. It's not exactly. And yeah, happy 4th of July. America have a around birthday. It's 150 years since 1876, right? So I'm still working on the cutscene number 5. So made pretty good progress on that. Off the stream I was working on the chat, so some work in progress implementation of the chat. Just one extra space here. So I pulled some data from the Twitch log and use that data to kind of try to figure out what kind of messages I'll put in the chat. There is some noise here, so I probably should clean it up. Yeah, so sort of like this. And yeah, so like clean it up. So just chat message. There is some dots, but I'm not going clean dots. It's gonna take too much time. And yeah, that's just small typo fixes. And player I'll add that chat in the HUD. Actually, I don't need to do that for right now, but later on I'll add it. Updated it RNG, so exponential distribution of the data, so it's like a post zone distribution. It's like, I think that distribution is similar as like decaying happening, and I think chat messages are kind of similar to that. I'm not that smart. It's just I asked Gemini about that. Let me double check. Is that Poisson distribution similar to how atom unstable atom decay happening? Atom decaying happening. Poisson, I think it's Poisson distribution. I don't know. Oh, Poisson distribution is count of events, okay, in a fixed window frame. Okay, so it's like a same idea. So it's number of clicks in Geiger count, and that one for time, but it's like a same physical process, just different angles. Exponential distribution and Poisson distribution. No, it is chat messages. It is a simulation of chat messages in the live stream. How about typing simulation? So I'm got curious because I implemented typing simulation. Not with exponential distribution. So I have messages and typing happening like this. So I'm just evenly spreading between 25 microsecond and 175 millisecond. 25 millisecond, between 25 milliseconds and 175 millisecond. So it's, I don't know, it looks good, but I'm just wondering if I can make it better. A normal distribution creates a classic bell curve. So probably I should use normal distribution. Let me change deviation. Natural lighting by fluid. Yeah, let me add normal distribution. So RNG gen expon gen norm. It is going to be median, and so what normal distribution takes mean and standard deviation. Mean and the deviation. Deviation. Gen norm. Gen norm internal. Okay, so that's gonna be gen norm double mean double stat deviation, and gen norm mean stat deviation, and internal norm internal mean double stat deviation, and normal distribution mean stat deviation. Okay, and let's go to the messages, and here gen norm 0.103, right? Yeah, let's see how it's gonna work.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary.
So
I'll
this
text
is the
my dad
chat
in a moment.
messages. So I think I should probably, let's make it like this. It's more erratic. It's too robotic.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
What just happened? It's kind of bugged. Why it's bugged, I do not know.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
I guess it's happening because let me print out how much I'm passing to defer. So long defer t. I need to include log.hpp. So I wondering if it's like a negative or or 0. I guess it's negative. This is what's happening.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
So I did not. Yeah, there is a one negative one. I think this is what happened. Okay, defer t plus now triggers. I think it should be able to handle negative ones. Stead max between 0 and t. So I guess that would fix the negative values. So if you pass -1, it's just going to immediately trigger it. I do not know why it was. Like if I put -1, it should still work. First, it's like it's less than now. It should trigger. I don't know. And all these values are looking good. So let me steal log t here. Log defer t. So let me print it out and put the normal distribution high. So it's like let's put 1 here, so it would be very extreme. 0.1.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
Okay, it's fixed, but I do not know why it was broken at the first place. I would not overthink why it was broken at the first place. Anyways, let's go timer. yeah, so 0.06 was still too erratic, and 0.3 was too. So let's do something in between. So I'm going to 0.03 plus 0.06 divide by 2, so it's 0.045. So something in the middle should be good.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
So 0.045 plus 0.3 divide by 2. 0.0. Let's 375.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
Thank you, my child.
Save Daddy, Live Better. A Lauren Corp.
Okay, let me do some small stuff, colors, for example, chat. So nickname colors, static stat vector of glm vec free nickname colors, nickname colors, and can I just do that? I think I can, right? So red, let's do green, blue, then let's do a red, green, red, blue, and let's do green, blue, and a red, blue, and so have 5, 5, 5, and red, green, blue, okay, and then 5, 5, 5, I know. I think that's enough colors. Nickname colors. So here dot color equals nickname colors nickname colors dot size stat hash. Is it like this? Stat string like this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I forgot to increase the font size. I was programming whole day in by myself, and I don't need that giant font. Let's see.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary.
Hey!
I'll text my dad in a moment.
Thank you, my child.
Save Daddy, live better. A Lauren Corp.
Okay. Easy implementation. It's like should remove logs. I think I will commit that, and because implementing emotes and as well as animated emotes, so in the 7TV style app, like this sort of emotes, will take some time to do. So I'll commit that changes, so it will have a chat, and essentially only chat. So today I was just spending implementing the chat, and get pretty good implementation, I think. But I need emotes and animated emotes. So work in progress chat, chat replics. So let me run my AI. Oh, it is running. Okay, so I can do proofreading.
Chat replies.
Chat replies. Chat UI. So there is a colors, there is a messages, yeah, I think that's it. Chat replies, chat UI. I guess chat UI, chat replies. So this is what was implemented. And so label implementation is quite big. So should I update label implementation? Text buffer, append text. So probably I can just update the label implementation. Essentially I need append text and so let me see, font basic, UI vert, font basic, UI frac. So there is a two shaders. So this is cube texture, XYZ. UV color, texture cube, S text color, and it's coming from Atlas. Yeah, that is commented out. I should probably delete it. Texture buffer. HText. Create texture, check texture size. Texture size. Oh, so it is actually colored. So makes my life way easier. 6 times 4. So what is that? Texture cube. Okay, and edge texture. So I'm wondering why it's texture cube. Type, region type. There is interesting. Why this like this? So there is a 4 components, 4 layers, set mask. Wondering why it was commented out. Used faces, used layers. Did I break the font rendering? I don't think I break the font rendering though, because type is always grayscale. No.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll take.
So I want to add emotes. So I need the emotes font first. So let me Google Fonts, browse fonts, emotes, emojis, not a color emojis. Of course we want a color emoji. So there is another one, and it's just a standard I guess it's a Google standard Google one. Yeah, I guess I'll just download it. Download all. Not a color emoji. So extract and trash archive. It's the same license. So probably I should rename as like do that. So license is going to be preserved. Project game assets. So there is OFL. So that one, but it's for different type, different font, which I do not remember what the name of the font. OFL. What the name of the font? Oh, okay. Super Mer. Okay. Probably should give the full name, right? Oh yeah. Software is like under seal open font license. Let's copy the notes. Not sold by themselves. The font includes and derivative work can be embedded and sold if any software product and reserves is not used. Oh yeah. Okay. Got the font. So process font. Okay. Not a color emoji, regular. Label. So ref const font emoji font. I don't think I need to go to the parent. I can just do that. Of font. Okay. Mm-hmm. Append text. Anywho, append text. So const font g font code point UTF decon code point what is the range for emoji unicorns? So does this, do we have any meta about different languages? Type tester. Okay. Range emoticons. Hexadecimal. That's a royal mess. Total elements 2848. What the heck is that? Unicorn and emoji data, photo measure, format, property commands. No, there is no data structure, white space or command. Characters signals are listed in code pointer. User should be shown more. Why hash sign is emoji? Like why all this stuff are emoji? Copyright registered. Do we have C++? Stat local. Yes. ICU library. UChar emoji. Let's check if the code point has the emoji property. Boost. That is interesting. U has binary property. UChar emoji. UTF. So this is just a decoder. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. So is emoji. Oh no. Clang format off. Clang format on. Auto is emoji. U in 32T. Boo. Um, studying in string one, string on append size const font emoji font. Okay, so it's crashed. We crashed, it's fine. I did not mean to start the game. If is emoji, if not emoji, else append glyph font emoji append glyph. Okay. Oh wait, code point. Oh, emoji font. If is if not emoji current else pen glyph emoji font. What? No matching function star. Is emoji assigned in uint 32 char 32. Is emoji unsigned int. Oh, we're crashing now. What? Ah, there is a space. No. It's crashing during the loading the font. Font sheet, or maybe I should remove TTF. Oh yeah, TTF was extra. Okay, let's see if we are going to render
Chat.
any
We
emojis.
found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
Not the skill set. Are you a software engineer?
Yeah, I'm software engineer. Yeah. Senior software engineer. I don't think emojis are being printed.
Want to become one, but I hear the field is fertile.
Super competitive? No, there is a shortage of good software engineers. So if you'll become the good software engineer, I mean, with AI it's kind of, I cannot promise anything, but I feel AI is hitting the ceiling, so there is still plenty of work. And yeah, I guess right now companies are a bit cautious, and I do not know why emojis are not printing. Companies are a bit cautious about hiring right now, because it's like not sure, like they will hire and then AI will blow up, and then they have to figure out how to fire people or lay off people. So yeah. But I think maybe in half a year and a year everything would stabilize, and people realize AI hit the ceiling, and we still all going to have jobs, and yeah, everything is nice. Prices to DD-RAM are going to be low. Prices to hard disk are
I
going to be
gotcha,
low.
I'm doing accounting now, but then I want to pivot to engineering.
You're doing accounting now. Pivot to engineering. Yeah. Go for it. There is all materials online. There is a plenty of good tutorials. It's like a learning. Software engineering is nowadays so easy. You just essentially need the computer, and that's it. And you can start doing it. You even can just start programming directly in the browser. Like, you get the browser and you can just start doing programming directly in the browser. Oh my god, there is so many errors here. Oh, there is a dev tools with AI assistance, and yeah, with help of AI. What the heck? Console inside. Code suggestion. Wow. Anyways, you can just start programming directly in the browser. You do not need to install anything. Why?
I thought engineer jobs would be safe from AI because it's created by engineers lol.
Created by engineers. I think because it's created by engineers and engineers making the tools for themselves first, so it's hitting engineers first and then everybody else. Yeah, but AI is still stupid, right? Like there is a plenty of cases, right? Like you ask like simple questions, like should I walk to the car wash if it's 100 yards away, or drive the car to the car wash, right? And AI just tripping on that. I want to wash my car. And car wash is 100 yards away. Should I just walk to car wash or drive the car? I guess they updated AI to properly answer that question. How about Claude? Did they update Claude as well? Oh, it's thinking.
Is Claude better than checked?
So like this is my rating for AI. Claude is the first, Gemini is second, third is Grok, and ChatGPT is fourth. ChatGPT is awful nowadays.
Which is first? Sorry, my laptop lagged.
First is Claude. Yeah, so look at this. ChatGPT is just giving some strange reasonings. Like, it's just awful. Like, even though it's almost like about what are you talking? You don't have to walk back after dropping. It's like, what is this? How about Kimi? Alaska, DeepSeek as well, and my local AI. Let's waste all the money. yeah, so all of AI except the local AI and ChatGPT. I mean, ChatGPT gave the correct answer, but reasoning is kind of incorrect. Anyways, so I think software engineering is safe for now, and hopefully in half a year, in a year, we will clearly see AI hit the ceiling, and we still need software engineers. Maybe a little bit less, but still. And also, if you want to become a software engineer just for pleasure, of course you don't need to bet on anything, you're just doing. Append glyph. Yeah, that should work. Why didn't work? Append glyph, emoji font, append glyph font. So this is for tabs, sized font, get sized font, get glyph in for glyph. Yeah, it should work, but why? I do not know why it didn't work. You must have the brain of Albert Einstein to do that. No. I do not have brain of Albert Einstein. It's deceptive, you know. I'm realizing, like, making the game without the game engine is very easy. I mean, it's not very easy. It's not hard. And the complexity went down dramatically over all the years, and as well hardware requirements as well went down. So you do not need to do too many clever tricks, and there is a lot of literature around, there is a lot of examples around. Hardware is way more powerful, so it's not hard to make it. And of course, for me, because I already have quite experience in, and it's like I was just not afraid to start doing it. It's kind of there is like a barrier, like you want to start making the game without the engine, because and there is another thing, engines usage is very hard. It's just a learning curve just to use the engine is quite steep, and it gives you impression, oh, it's hard to use the engine, it must be even harder to make the game engine. And for me it's actually opposite. It's way easier for me to figure out how to code rather than figure out how to make what I want to do using the engine. It's like, for example, right now I'm working on implementing the text rendering, which would support emojis, and I kind of know the direction where I want to go, and if the engine does not support that functionality, I even would not know how to hack it, right? I do not know why it's not working though. Is emoji, maybe is emoji not doing right thing. So I'm doing that part. So maybe is emoji function is incorrect. Okay, long emoji code point. Okay, include log.hpp. Okay, let's see.
Chat. We found the crystal
Yeah,
sanctuary.
it does
I'll
try
text
to
my dad in a moment.
print emojis. So I'm going to player.cpp. So I'm going to add the label LML test. So I called it test. Make child and just put bunch of emojis. It's like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay. So let's make it really big. Let's make it very wide. And let's put I guess it will be put in the center. Well, I'm just probably should add some padding so I can see. So there is equal sign in that scene, and it's yellow for some reason. Why it's yellow now? And why it's only one equal sign? Oh yeah, it's white now. So let me put less and greater. So there is a less sign and that's it, and it's just tripping. It just stops. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it does the kerning, but it's not doing printing. Okay, text buffer. I'm going to make the font smaller because it's kind of hard to see stuff. So there is a function append glyph, and so that is triggering append glyph emoji font, get glyph info. Code point glyph. So sized font get glyph info preload glyph what the heck is this one? True type font. I should do assert here. Preload glyph. Add a bitmap. Oh, there is a bake glyph alpha. So let me see what it's going to do. Bake glyph alpha. Okay, if code point is emoji, it's not emoji, let's do this, else glyph info bake glyph alpha font manager true type font bake glyph alpha. It has only bake glyph alpha to memory buffer. So let's see if I can implement colored version. Probably I can just take the example. And there is no colored version. Benny, hello. So okay, so bake glyph of true type font. Bitmap box. Make code point bitmap. Everything looks sane. Get font metrics. Code point bitmap. Why I'm seeing nothing? That should work. Why it's not working? Pigleaf alpha. How did I learn C++? It took about 2 weeks to learn C++, but I was doing software engineering at that point already for about 7 years. So but I decided to learn C++. I went to the bookstore and get the book, and this is the very first book what I learned at a prime, C++ prime. It's a famous book by 3 authors. I do not know how relevant it is currently, if it has C++ prime primer. On Amazon there is 5 editions. Stanley Lipman, Josie LaJulie, and Barbara Moo. I think it's very good book, but I do not know if it's good one, because you know, bestseller 1986, so it's quite old book, but there is a multiple revision, so it might be a good starter. And yeah, it took for me about 2 weeks to read on that book, and I start feeling more or less comfortable in C++, but of course it is a never-ending journey. You're always learning C++ and C++ as well, updating all the time. So for example, they got modules, and I cannot still figure out what to do with modules, because I was talking to to figure out, and it's a royal mess. There is a reflections. Reflections, very interesting concept. and as well I was talking to AI, and it's super useful, but it is C++26, and it's not. It's still in the draft state. Would be super interesting to use reflections. I was excited about modules, but I think they did something bad. Anyways, what I'm trying to say, learning C++, it's never ending journey, but I think if you get a good book, read it, and if you already have some knowledge of software development, it's gonna take about 2 weeks. I don't think it's bad. You can learn C++ in 2 weeks, no problemos. Just go for it. Just go and learn. Add bitmap. Add bitmap, add region, and yes. Oh, it says type array. Maybe this is the problem. What if I take emojis, black and white emojis? Would it help? So, where is it? Here we go. Do we have not emoji? Yeah. Oh, look at this. There is a black and white emojis. So if I get that, you're welcome, Benny. Happy to help all the time. Ask any questions. Extract and treasure hive. So if I take static slide bold, variable font, so maybe I'll get the regular one. Control X. Control V, and just go here. Not emoji. On both variable font and static font. Fixes. Okay. Project game assets. Complete but not unique. Okay. Download, delete all of that. So let's try black and white emojis and see if it's gonna help. So I'm going to put black and white here. Okay. Noto. Okay, black and white is working.
Hey Mika, I've restarted my game engine project using glue/glfw, not nearly as far as you are. Very interesting to see the progress of others for inspiration. Thanks for taking the time to share to us.
You're welcome, and share with us as well your progress. It's YouTube. I guess YouTube does not allow to put a link, but you can join maybe Discord and share on Discord, or you can just DM me. I'm interested to see what other people are doing. I don't want to stay in the bubble. I want to know what other people are doing and realize I'm not special. I'm as mortal as everybody else. This is very grounding experience than somebody else is sharing what they are doing. Okay, so I probably should keep test one. Yeah, I'm going to keep test one and just make it invisible. Set visibility false. I think it's visible. Set visible false. Huh. What is it? Node.h. Set visible. Yeah, set visible. Oh yeah, it just took forever to
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary.
yeah, so
I'll text my dad in a moment.
emojis are working here, but they are colored. They are black and white. Yeah, so black and white emojis are working. I may keep it. but would be nice to figure out how to make colored emojis. What is this arrow? Oh, it's a walking man.
Thank you, my child.
Save Daddy, live better. Lauren Corp.
Okay. I'll remove that. I removed that test one. It's fine. I can add it anytime. It's not too hard. I was thinking to update cutscene. It's not in the cutscene, it's in the chat. So there is a lot of D's. Those things. So I might take the half and populate them not with D's but with the what is it? That one. Face screaming on fear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So have half and half. Walking man emoji is broken as well. Where is it? Where is the here we go. This is the walking one. So maybe use that instead. So there is a 2 bongos.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
Loading.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
So a bunch of emotes are not printing. That's interesting. Like that should work at least. Right? Put them. Those should work maybe. Yeah, I think I put that one, right? There is a scared cat. Fearful face.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
Thank you, my child.
Save Daddy, live better. Alora and Corp.
McMaven said, maxing out on the whimsy.
Maxim Auto, the Whimsy. Okay, so for some reason some of the modes were not working, so but I do not know
Hey guys.
which ones. Hey Mickey. Oh wait, is it a raid? I don't have any Twitch, any notifications. Stream manager. Oh no, I'm not seeing any raid.
No him just watching today, no raid.
Okay. So some emojis are missing. Which were missing?
Not working on my game for so long.
Not working on my game for so long. You kind of abandoned? What does it mean? It's like this is not working, so I guess I'll put words. Oh, maybe I can get from 7TV. Where is this 7TV? It's like a loading. So just put those names and then I can implement different loading based on the I just need like a unique names. Because I'll do art by myself. So maybe biting nails. How to search? There is no such biting nails emoji. Anyways, let's see if we will have any empty lines.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment. Save Daddy, Live Better, a Lauren quote.
So would be nice to figure out the color emojis. So it's a label and label noto color, and so that is going to break emojis fully. Let me see if it's gonna break. And then I'll try to figure out how to
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary.
yeah,
I'll
so
text
there
my
is no
dad in a
emojis.
moment.
Atlas. The region. Okay, so add region. It's always gray. Add region. Glyph info. Where is the glyph info? True type font. Glyph index, width, height, offset, advanced. Region for faster retrieval. Data. Glyph alpha. Buffer to raster, max font buffer size. This is color data. Code point, add bitmap. So if I do that, BGRA 8.
Chat. We found the crystal sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
Complete nothingness. So let me debug then. Okay. Code point 49. Wait, code point bitmap. There is the colors here. So fully boop. Interesting. Or it's a grayscale. Big leaf alpha. And bitmap. Ah. Mm. But you pass. So I'm just trying to figure out what the format of the code point bitmap for what is output format. It might be.
Tanya said, hello, hello.
Hi Tanya. STB true type. STB true type.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I'm not good actually, but it's people saying I'm good. STB true type. Parse file.
Have seen better days, but it's okay.
Yeah. Let's say it's okay. Glyph index baseline, current point, vertical point, mid-range font size. stb true type port color fonts.
Does STB TrueType support color fonts?
Okay, so STB does not support color fonts, and this is the problem. This is what happening. So only monochrome. So I have to use different renderer, font renderer. I think it's actually okay. Anyways, I'm going to use emojis, animated emojis, implement animated emojis. So we should be fine.
Chat. We found the
guess I'll do
crystal
it tomorrow.
sanctuary. I'll text my dad in a moment.
What is that music?
It's music in my game. So I'm just going to play in the cutscene.
It's very good.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I made it.
Thank you, my child.
Save Daddy, Live Better. A Lauren Corp.
that music and the scene and that character, I can see a cult classic here. Not kidding, very deep and serious.
Thank you. Save Daddy, live better. Alarian Corp. I think I'll put colored emojis for future proofing, but yeah, implement emoji support.
Implement emoji support.
Yeah, I guess. Let me see. Maybe I missed something. Emoji font, and I'll just trying to figure out how to make the software which cannot do anything. Yeah. Okay, things are looking good. So tomorrow I'll try to implement animated emojis. I guess implementation is not going to be hard. The hard part is going to be actually animating emojis, because all this work is copyrighted and better not to use it, so I have to make the original work. Yeah, so I'm done for today. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.